Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create color change text animation using VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project here, and I'm going to choose a video based. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the stocks video, and I'm going to choose this black background as the background of my text. And wait guys, let me change the aspect ratio. Okay, and then I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to click on this text menu, select text, and I'm going to add heading. Okay, and let me type in something. For example, I'm going to type in change color. Okay, and if you want to edit the font, you can go to the font menu and you can choose the font that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose this font. Oops, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and now the text has been added. And wait, let me delete the ending. Alright, and then I'm going to duplicate this text. We can select the text like this, and then we can choose duplicate. And then I'm going to apply color to the second text. You can apply the color that you like, and for me, I'm going to apply this green color. Oops, this one. Okay, and click on the check mark, and we're going to apply mask. Okay, I'm going to go to the mask menu and select the linear mask, and then you're going to rotate the mask and place the mask here, and then I'm going to customize the feather by dragging the mask like this. Okay, and then I'm going to wait guys, I'm going to apply keyframe to create the change animation. I'm going to add the keyframe to the first part, and then I'm going to move to the end part like this, and then we can create the animation. Oops, sorry, I'm going to place it here, and then we can create this animation. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to create color change text animation using VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.